How to get a $150 Athleta promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're going to find the search box. Type in athleta.com and search for it. With that, you'll land to the official website of Athleta. Now you can log into your account, make your purchase, and while you proceed to checkout, you'll find the section of promo code. Over there, paste the code, and just with that, you'll get the discount. But how can you get Athleta promo code? For that, open a new tab, then type in Athleta promo code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get working promo code for Athleta. So go ahead and open any of these. I'm going to open this one, seen it. After you open it, you're going to find amazing deals and offer. Just scroll and check. $12 off, 60% off, $50 off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to grab. Just click on get coupon code. So here's the code, you can copy it. Then click on copy and go to store. You'll be directed to the official website of Athleta. Now log into your account, make your purchase, proceed to checkout, and in the checkout page, apply the promo code and get the discount. Likewise, you can also try out all the offers, as in this page, you're going to find tons of offers and deals. Also, make sure to check out this website, as this website will also provide you working promo code for Athleta. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.